Alright, so here we go. Day 2, part 8. Or it could be part 9, but we'll say part 8. And we're using this 2K Max Clear 3680061 2K Max Spray Max. And one can would suffice, but I have 2 cans. So that's 2 cans, right? And I thought it was defective when I hit the bottom piece right here. It started spewing out everywhere, and I had a moment with myself. So I opened up my backup can. But since I got 2, might as well use 2. And keep hitting it. Fortunately, there is a little bit of stuff in the paint. I'm gonna have to buff that out or something. Like, you know, something in the air, I don't know, some kind of, I don't know. It's open air painting. Yeah, open air painting. So, I'm just gonna do what I do. I'm just gonna do a light coat over everything. Hopefully this can, the activator that was in it when I twisted, is enough to doesn't screw up anything, but hey, it wouldn't be the first time I've had to redo something. But I think the results are going to be promising. And it'll be definitely better than just having that Duplicolor. Man, I just can't spit. Alright. So, I'll put my hand over it. Well, maybe I shouldn't have used this can. So I'm gonna definitely have to buff this out. Yeah, it's just spitting everywhere. Oh well. That's what happens. Sometimes you should leave well enough alone. Just leaking out the bottom. Let me try it over here. Since I'm going to be buffing it anyway, what the hell. Oh yeah. Unless it's reacting with the sun. It's potentially that's the case too. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's what you do. You just move quicker. AbleCraft finds a way. AbleCraft finds a way. Put it on. Yeah, this corner was kind of late. And get the front. Funny how the breezes go. Sometimes it blows it right off the car. Alright. Well, I can definitely say I'm liking it. Too bad I had this can was defective because I'm going to have to definitely go through and buff this out. But I think you would have to buff it out anyway, being an aerosol can. But ta-da! There she is. Alrighty. Alright. Let's talk about cost. By far, if I had used a compressor, I think it would have been cheaper. So, let's start with their price here. Two Duplicolor primer cans is about $11 a piece, so that's $22. The 2K Spray Max was I think $12 a piece, so that's $24. So 24, 34, 54 bucks. We're up to 54 bucks just in primer and Clearcoat. The 4 cans that I used of, 2 cans of Duplicolor paint, 17 a piece, so it's 34. So what, 34 plus 54, 5 plus 4 is 9, 34, so we're up to what, 89 bucks right now. $89, okay, so $89 for the products. I already had plenty of sandpaper, but let's just say a pack of sandpaper, $6. So 84, up to 90 bucks right now. 90 bucks for material for the sandpaper. Obviously, you'd probably need a sand and block, so that's say 100 bucks for a rubber sanding block. In that case, you saw me use that long block. So let's say 100 bucks. So 100 bucks to do this job. And where did I buy the products? It was on that Amazon woman site. Amazon. So yeah, I bought it on Amazon. You can also get these products at any of your auto parts stores, like an AutoZone or O'Reilly or something like that. So I see them there, and the prices were fairly comparable. So 100 bucks to do this hood job. Plus or minus your own, how much of your labor is worth. To me, it was worth it. I do have a compressor, but I'm not using it at the moment. I still got to work out some little details with it. But eventually I'll use a compressor and use a spray gun. So this could get a little bit costly if you were to try to do this whole car by hand, panel by panel. If it was 100 bucks to do a hood, times that by all the panels. Maybe what? Maybe 600 bucks? Maybe for just some paint? Unless you can find paint cheaper, I'm not sure. So maybe 600 bucks, maybe you could do it cheaper than that. But then again, there is your labor as well. So anyway, that's just my thoughts on it. But I am happy the way it has turned out. I will come back through and prime at a later date. I mean, not prime, buff. And I still got the rest of the car to do at some point. So, but for what it's worth, there we are. And compared to what it was on day one, I think the car is pretty respectable going down the road now. At least at 15 feet out, you would say, yeah, all right, you got a new paint job on the hood. So it looks good from 15 feet away. 10 feet away maybe. But hey, my whole goal, guys, when I established this channel was to become more competent manually in all the things I do, and hopefully inspire and empower you with information and knowledge so you guys will get out there and do it yourself. Maybe one day get paid for it, maybe become a trade, or just have some fun. And mostly just take care of yourself, take care of your stuff. Like I said, this car has over 318,000 miles on it. Out of that 318, I put on 26,000 miles was already on it. So you know, hey, still going strong. So you guys take care of yourself. If I can do it, you guys can do it better. All right, you guys have a great AbleCraft day. And that is the end of this hood job as far as I see it for this hood paint job. All right, you guys take care.